Chiliz holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Chiliz. My friends, in this video, I'm talking about the urgent update, which is very important for all Chiliz holders. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, now if you look the latest price update of the Chiliz, so you can see here the price of the Chiliz at this time in the market is 0.27000001 USD dollar is the latest price of the Chiliz. On the other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Chiliz, 0.00000741 USD dollar is the latest price of BTC. Same like that, the market cap, the trading volume, and available supply, total supply of the Chiliz you can see now on the screen. On the other side, my friends, if we look the price changes occur in the Chiliz, the price is moving upward or down. So you can see here that the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 24 hours pricing is negative. Oh my god, that's mean that last 24 hours pricing is negative. That's mean that the yesterday pricing is negative. So on the 1st June, the price of the Chiliz is fast down. So I can't believe that it is a Chiliz. In the start of month, a lot of cryptocurrencies start moving upward, but Chiliz is fast down. Oh, I can't understand what should we do with this time. But anyways, my personal prediction, my personal suggestion for my viewers, my subscribers is that my friends, it's time to hold. If you decide to sell, so you are already in the loss, and if you hold, so maybe there's a chances in the future to the price become positive and you will get a profit from the Chiliz, my friends. So that's why I suggest for everyone, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. And the last 1 week pricing is negative, but those people new holders which buy in the June Chiliz, so for those people I suggest it's time to hold, my friends, not to sell. You can see here in a previous whole month the price of Chiliz is very badly fast down, as I show you in the start of this video that the last 1 week pricing is positive. So in the previous last 1 week they take a jump, but unfortunately again fast down occurs from yesterday, my friends. So hope they will again start jumping and they will give us good amount of profit. Hold it and don't decide to sell. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Chiliz? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.